Measuring instruments. Steel rule is a direct reading measuring instrument. What is determined while measuring a component, actual size. Steel rule is made of stainless steel. Which of the following instrument is used for checking flatness and squareness of a surface? Tri-square. Which of the following is an indirect measuring tool? Inside caliper. The base unit of length as per SI unit is meter. The minimum measurement that can be read with the help of a steel rule is 0.50 mm. Tri-square is used to check up an angle of 90 degree. In a metric micrometer, a complete revolution of thimble advances 0.50 mm. The least count of metric micrometer is 0.01 mm. An outside micrometer has a negative error. The correct reading can be taken by adding the negative error in the actual reading. Which of the following instrument is used to check the concentricity of the outside diameter? Dialed indicator. The minimum measurement that can be correctly read with a vernier caliper is called least count. Metric outside micrometer has a threaded spindle with a pitch of 0.5 mm. Zero error in micrometer means zero on thimble and the thumb line on shelf do not coincide when measuring faces are in contact. Lock nut in the micrometer is provided to lock the reading after setting it over the workpiece. Micrometer works on the principle of nut and bolt. Which of the following instrument is used to measure accurately the angle of taper? Vernier bevel protector. The least count of a vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. To convert the linear motion of the plunger of a dial test indicator to the rotary motion of the pointer, which one of the following mechanism is used? Rack and pinion mechanism. Ratchet stop in the micrometer helps to control the pressure. A micrometer has a positive error of 0.02 mm. What is the correct reading when the micrometer measures 25.41 mm, 22.39 mm? A micrometer has a negative error of 0.03 mm. What is the correct reading when the micrometer measures 40.53 mm, 40.56 mm? Zero error of a 50 to 75 mm outside micrometer can be checked with test piece. The value of the smallest division on shelf of a metric outside micrometer is 0.50 mm. The value of one division on bevel edge of the thimble of a metric outside micrometer is 0.01 mm. In which one of the following micrometers the graduation on the thimble and shelf are in reverse direction to that of outside micrometer? Depth micrometer. The least count of a vernier outside micrometer is 0.001 mm. Which one of the part vernier height gauge are a main scale division graduated? Beam. While measuring with vernier bevel protector, which part is normally used as reference surface? Stock. On which of the part of the vernier bevel protector are the main scale division graduated? Disc. The least count of vernier height gauge is 0.02 mm. While lying out, the vernier height gauge must be used on the surface plate. The size of a vernier height gauge is specified by height of the beam. While marking with a vernier height gauge, the workpiece is generally supported by an angle plate. The smallest inside micrometer has the graduation marked on the shelf to a range of 13 mm.